We've got an exceptional one right here. This is a 1966 Chevelle Super Sport, numbers matching, 396, 4-speed. They just spent 300 hours not restoring the car, just detailing it and dialing it in. It was restored in '08, but this thing is nice. 3-owner car, documented. We have the build sheet, we have owner history, rebuilt engine. Again, all number matching, Marina Blue. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one has a monthly payment and the price right on it, including this one right here, along with all sorts of information, pictures, finance information. You can also scan the QR code that's going to be on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. They'll do the same. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, one owner had it from like 1972 to like 2008. In 2008, that person bought it, restored it. It's got its original metal, again, original driveline, and the body is excellent. So the 66 Super Sport has these simulated scoops here, and this is all straight, clean, all the way down the side. This was painted, in 2008. It was recently just wet sanded by an expert, by a custom show car painter, and he said it was like wet sanding a rock. The paint is hardened. That's a good thing. It's solid. Now it's wet sanded like glass. He says this paint will look like this forever. As long as you take care of it, this is not going to shrink. It's not going to crack. It's already proven itself. So this paint looks like $1,000,000, and it'll stay this way for you. So again, all straight, clean metal, factory Marina Blue. The metallic is laid out evenly, and it does have a super glossy shine. It was just color wet sanded and polished by a professional. So all the way down, all clean, straight, everywhere you look. We have pictures of the restoration. Doors fit beautifully, open and close real nicely. Along the bottom of the doors and the fenders, all nice and clean. Just a mark. All the chrome and trim is sparkly and shiny and nice. Up here, the bumper, the lenses, the grill, all that's looking really good. Windshield is super nice and clear. The moldings fit nice. The vent windows all looking good. Has bow tie mirrors on both sides. You got the cross flag emblems, one of my favorite emblems. The rocker moldings are real nice. Door handles real nice. The seals and weather strips are all excellent. The white convertible top's excellent. There's pictures of that on our website. Now, they didn't have rally wheels in 66. They came out in 67, but it's got classic looking rally wheels on there now, and they're wrapped in BFGoodrich radial Redline tires, so it's going to be a real nice driving car. Rear mounted antenna. The trim back here is all shiny, straight, beautiful chrome moldings, you name it. It's a beautiful car. Let's open it up. I'll show you that big block under the hood. All right, let's check out the trunk compartment. Beautifully finished. This is glossy, smooth, super nice. Same thing with the jam. The original seams are in here. Weather strip is in excellent shape. Inside here, it's all clean metal with the spatter paint. Some of the spatter paint's actually still original. It's been touched up in spots. And it's complete. Has a correct type spare with the whole jack assembly, lug wrench, got the mat, got the well liner. It looks like it was replaced, so a clean and complete trunk compartment. Now, when I said they spent 300 hours recently, yes, they did. That includes the guy wet sanding it, a couple of other guys that restore cars, high-end cars, spent hours and hours underneath it. When we get to that, uh, you'll see what I mean. The underside is completely detailed. So the jams are real slick. The weather strips replaced. The interior's mint. It's a reproduction door panel and the armrest and all that's looking really nice. Same thing with the whole dash area, the dash pad, the chrome bezels, the instruments, all nice and clean. Original AM radio, the heater controls. All of this is just looking real nice. Glove box, the light works. This is original sticker. Kick panels are nice. You got nice blue carpet. Aftermarket mats. You have a quartz movement in the clock. The console, of course, all that's looking real nice. Seats feel real good. They're reupholstered. Optional seat belts in 66. Got them front and back. So all looking good. Looks like the very edge here, the piping's got a little snag in it. 66, the seat backs were metal. They've been repainted. And the light works on the back of the console, the carpet, the mats, the upholstery, just like up front here. Side panels, window cranks, all that's looking really good. Convertible top boot fits very nicely. The visors and the mirror, they're in excellent shape. The steering wheel, real nice. The chrome center may have been replaced. That's sparkling. So very, very tidy, clean interior. This is the original 396 motor, 325 horsepower. It has a letter H stamped on the front. It comes with a factory Holley cast iron intake. And it's all the right choke stuff. Even they said they got a dated fuel filter for it, dated spark plug wires, the right air cleaner, valve covers, hose clamps, assembly line markings on the firewall. All nice, clean, tidy. Spring clamp battery cables. Everything up here is looking proper. Shroud, again, the reproduction hoses, the squirters are hooked up. It's got the horns. Power brakes. Original cowl tag. Yeah, very, very nice, clean engine compartment. It was rebuilt in 08, and there's less than 1,000 miles on the car since the restoration was done. Michael's going to show you how nice it drives. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Feeling so good. Numbers matching 396 right there. Stroking around that 4-speed. Such a blast. Couple of really smooth downshifts. So far so good. Performing well. Clutch is moderately light, and steering is fairly easy considering it does not have power. It's so easy to manipulate. Let's see what she's got. Alright. We got them secondaries to open up there. Runs out nice. Such a great time with the top down. Beautiful day, beautiful car. Actually, I just didn't even set the wheel. I let it go. I know it's gonna go down straight as an arrow. Look at that alignment. Look at that setup on the front end. Spectacular. The entire car really does what we want it to. And that just makes for even more fun. Turnkey, ready to rock. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said, a lot of time was spent underneath this car. This is one of the nicest detailed undercarriages I have. It's fresh. It was just done. Beautiful, clean floors, all painted very nicely. Same thing with the whole chassis, the frame, chassis components, all painted. Steering, suspension, brakes, it's all been checked out and gone through. It's all working great. It has a dual exhaust system like the original with Flow Pro mufflers is the brand of the mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's as spotless as it is on top. The correct Muncie transmission, they did take it out and put new synchros in it. The drive shaft is restored. A 12-bolt rear end and back. It's 330 something gears in the back end. So everything under there is excellent. They even put the reproduction assembly line tags on stuff. It's ready for judging underneath. So if someone's going to get a really nice car, if you're not interested in big foose wheels and turbos and all that sort of stuff, this is a legitimate number match with the original sheet metal, with owner history, build sheet. Very nice car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your SS396 delivered home. Thanks for watching.